Thing's froze up. Something's wrong with it. Maybe the motor.
What is it?
So I can tell you what the problem is because I've had this problem 2 years ago. Right inside here is your capacitor. Pull this cover off. Well, kill it first. Pull this cover off, pull the capacitor, put your new one in, you'll be golden. Capacitor is usually what causes the fan not to turn. There it is, right there. Even though you disconnected that one, make sure to disconnect your main breaker because that sucker will bite. These are 5/16. This is 1/4 inch. Kaput. 55 plus 5. And if you're never sure of the wiring, well, probably don't do this if you're not sure, but just in case, always take pictures of the routing. Yeah, so boneheads that built this house, of all places to put this slab with the AC unit, they're gonna put it right next to our dryer vent. So that is an absolute idiotic move on the house builder's part. So I've got this piece of sheet metal here that I just put right in between here to keep it from blowing directly on our coals. Yeah,